This soap will clear dark spots, hyperpigmentation, even out your skin tone, and it's an easy DIY soap you can come up with at home, and your skin is definitely going to thank you. Continue watching as I walk you through. So here I have my soap base already cut. Okay, I'm going to be transferring it into a heat resistant plate like so. Okay, so after transferring it, you set that aside. You get a clean plate, add distilled water. You need to add turmeric powder and green tea powder. Okay, so after adding the ingredients, you're going to mix and mix until everything is well incorporated. So guys, this soap is very effective when it comes to clearing dark spots and hyperpigmentation and evening out your skin tone. So if you have dull skin, you have uneven skin tone, this soap will help to even out your skin tone. So after that, I'm going to be adding mulberry extract. I'm going to be mixing everything together. So mulberry extract is a brightening agent. Okay, it's a brightening ingredient. Will help to naturally brighten your skin and make your skin pop. So you mix until everything is well incorporated. Okay, so that aside, you're going to get water. Okay, I'm going to double boil the soap to melt, right? So once the soap has melted, the next thing you're going to do, okay, is to add the green tea mixture, and you're going to stir very well. Okay, the next thing is to remove from heat. Okay, then I'm going to be adding preservative. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, okay, is to mix everything until everything is well incorporated. Guys, this soap recipe is easy to come up with, is what you want to try out. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to get a mold. Make sure you grease it if you're not using a silicone mold. I'm going to be pouring in the soap into your mold. I'm going to be leaving it for like 24 hours in room temperature to solidify. Okay, so guys, this soap recipe is easy to come up with and is what you should try out. Okay, so here we have the soap. This is where it has solidified, and we are going to be unmolding the soap. So once you unmold the soap, this is what we have, guys. Our soap is so beautiful, and our soap is very effective. So this is a soap recipe you want to try out, and your skin is definitely going to thank you. See you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.